Assalamu alaikum, this is Muhammad Khair, math teacher at KKI Schools, and our mission today to complete lesson 8-5, factoring quadratic trinomial. Are you ready, my boys? Let's go. Factor each expression, check your answer. We are here, my dear students. Factor each expression. That means we have to know what is the length and what is the width for a rectangle. Okay, if this quantity represents the area for this rectangle. How come? I will show you. As we learned before, okay, this is the constant term and this is the mid-term. Okay, the whole story begin with this term, the constant one, and this term. Okay, first of all, this 5, if you go to the multiplication table, you get it from two factors. The first one, 1, the second one is 5. So 1 multiply 5, you know it is a positive 5. And this is positive, by the way, because this is positive. Okay, now, and positive 5 also, we can get it from where? Exactly, from negative 1 multiply negative 5. Okay, this is all factors about positive 5. But actually, one of these are correct. Who determine which one is the correct? Great, the mid term, which is the positive 6. Okay, if you add the factors here, the first two factors, you will get 6 or positive 6. But if you add the second two factors here, you will get negative 6. Okay, but if you come back here to the equation, you will see the midterm is positive 6. So I need this and I delete this. Okay, so the two factors are 1 and 5. So what I have to do here, just write or draw two parentheses, and the first letter is y, and the two factors here, positive 1 and positive 5. Teacher, all of time positive? No. This number is positive and this number is positive. Because of that, I write positive 1 and positive 5. Are you happy with that? I hope so. Let us move to number to number what you want. This one, 17. Okay. Okay, it is a big number, teacher. Don't worry, it is positive 56. Actually, positive 56 come from 1. Okay, let me write it first. Positive 56. You have to do like this, my dear student. It's coming from 1 multiply 56. Great. And also positive 56. It is coming from negative 1 multiply negative 56. Great. And positive 56, it is coming from 2 multiply 28. And positive 56 come from negative 2 multiply negative 28. Yes? Okay. What else? And positive 56 coming from 8 multiply 7. And also positive 56, it is coming from negative 8 multiply negative 7. Are you happy with that? So all of these numbers are factors, but which one is correct? Actually, before you write all of these, you have to check this one. Why? To minimize the options here, okay? Because this is negative 15, actually I will erase those. Okay, why? Because this give me, if I add them, 57, and this is far away from negative 15. Are you happy with that? So don't hesitate to erase them. And also this one clearly. And also here, 2 plus 28, it is 30, and the 30 is far away from here, so I will erase it also. And also this one. But the story end here, actually. If I add 7 plus 8, I will get positive 15. And if I add negative 8 and negative 7, clearly it is also negative 15, not positive 15. So if I match, clearly I will take this one. It is matching. So this is what I need, and this is what I don't need. So I will erase everything here and take negative 8 and negative 7. I draw my parentheses, okay, and write the letter, which is n here, n and n, and write negative 8 and negative 7. Are you happy with that? Me too. Okay. So every time you are factoring a quadratic trinomial, my dear student, you go here and find the product or the factors for this product. And you can find it exactly from your multiplication table that you memorize from or since grade 5 years. Okay, one more example. Okay, so remember this one, we get x minus 7 and x minus 8. Yes, good. Okay, let us take this one, 16. It is come from where? Help me. Teacher, it's come a 16. It is come from 1 multiply 16. And 16 come from negative 1 multiply negative 16. And 16. Actually, it is positive because it is positive. Okay, and positive 16, it is come from 2 multiply 8, or it is come from negative 2 multiply negative 8, or it is come from 4 multiply 4, or it is come from negative 4 multiply negative 4. All of these. But next time or the next stage, you will find it faster than this. Because of this, you need positive 10. The sum of the two factors, positive 10. Here, if you add them, it is not positive 10. And here, 2. So I don't need them at all. From the beginning, actually. And 4 plus 4, it is 8. It is not positive 10. And negative 4 plus negative 4, it is negative 8. I don't need them. So I minimize my options to 2 options. Okay? And if you see the 2 options here, the first 2 options, or the first 2 factors have the same sign, positive 2, positive 8. And the second factors has the same factors sign, negative 2 and negative 8. Yes? Great. Which one is correct? Can you tell me? Teacher, because this is positive 10, so I will take this one. and erase this one. You are correct, my boy. You are correct. So I will draw parentheses like this and write the letter, which is T this time, and write what? Positive 2, because it is positive actually, and positive 2 here. Okay, my dear student, positive 8. Okay, be careful, my dear student. Okay, he asked me to check the solution. You have to multiply x by x, then x by negative 8, so x squared negative 8x, then you multiply negative 7 by x and negative 7 by negative 8, and this is give negative 7x and positive 56. Here x squared negative 15x plus 56, and this matching this one. Actually it is not x, it is n, so you can replace it by n. It is up to you. Okay, you can replace it by n. It is n and n, negative and negative, n square, and n here, and also here I have n, I have n, I have n. Okay, my dear student. Okay, you can check by this way, and you know this way actually. So my dear student, here if the constant term positive, that's mean the two factors has or have the same sign, as you see here, negative 8, negative 7. Okay, or positive 8 and positive 8, positive 2 and positive 8. So again, one more time, if the constant term has a positive sign, this term positive, that means the two factors must have the same sign. Okay, is it clear? I hope so. Now let us move here. Now see here, the constant term is negative this time. Okay, my dear student, that means the two factors has or have different sign. I will show you how. Let us take question number 24 here. So I'm looking for negative 27, and negative 27 come from negative 1 multiply 27, or what? 1 multiply negative 27. But every time you start to factorizing, check this one. It is positive 6, and if you add them here, you will get 26. Okay, 26, and here negative 26, and this is far away. Okay, so no need to take this, but let me continue. Okay, negative 27 again. If you go to the multiplication table, take 3 multiply 9, or negative 3 multiply 9, or 3 multiply negative 9. Yes, good. And also we have anything? I think no. But here, if you find the sum of this and this, you will get, yes, positive 6. But here, negative 6. So let me erase the rest of the factors here and check this midterm and compare. You will find this one matching, so I need the two factors here, and I will erase everything else. So the solution is, it is x negative 3 and x positive 9. You see, the sign of the two factors are different. One of them positive and one of them negative. One of them positive and one of them negative. And as you see here, the midterm is positive, yes? So the big factor must be positive. Are you happy with that? Are you happy with that? No? Okay. Again, if the midterm has a positive sign, that means the big factor must be positive. Okay, just to know. Okay, just to know. Let us take 25. We're looking for negative 8. Go to the multiplication table and find, you will find 1 multiply 8 equal 8, but actually I need negative 8, so I will choose this or this. Good. Okay, also I have 2 multiply 4, or negative 2 multiply 4, or 2 multiply negative 4, like this one. Let's find the sum for each factors. Here it is give 7, and here it is give negative 7, and here it is give 2, and here it is give negative 2. Which one is correct? Go and ask the midterm. It is negative 7. Let us check. Here, no. Here, no. Here, yes. So I will take this, okay, and erase the rest. Now how we can write the factors? We write it like this. Parentheses. We write the letter. Okay, it is positive 1 at the beginning and negative 8 at the end. So this is the two factors. And please go and check the midterm sign. It is negative. See, the negative sign will go to the big factor. Before, when was the midterm is positive, the positive sign go to the big factor. Okay, actually you have to understand this. If this quadratic trinomial represents the area for any rectangle, this represents the length and this represents the width. So this is the length and this is the width. So if give you any question like this, find the length and the width for any quantity, don't scare, just factorize it like this as you learned. Okay, my dear student, then you say this is the length and this is the width as you see here. Are you happy with that? I hope so. Thank you for watching, my dear student, and I hope you get all the benefit, and my wish is to be good and be happy. Goodbye.